Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, so glad to be here with you. Today we are talking about what is OSD. Maybe you just are getting into the hobby and you're like, what is this OSD thing that people are talking about? I don't understand it. What's it for? We're going to talk about that right now. OSD stands for on-screen display. And now, of course, just to make it clear, we're talking about FPV drones, quads, mini quads. And we're talking about using something like these goggles right here, these FPV goggles. And that is the screen on which the information will be displayed. So what does that actually mean? What does the OSD actually do for us, and how does it work? Well, the OSD is basically there's like a little chip, a little microchip thingy on your flight controller board. That's the OSD chip. Now, almost all flight controllers nowadays are going to have OSD built in. Sometimes it's called Betaflight OSD because Betaflight is how we configure the OSD. So what the OSD does for us is it will put information on the screens, on the FPV goggles. So as we're looking in the goggles here, it could tell us basic information like battery voltage, or throttle position, or the name of the quad, whatever we typed in as the name. Or it could tell us, if we have other sensors on there, it could tell us our altitude, our GPS coordinates, all kinds of stuff. So OSD is super helpful, and like I said, it's very, very common now. The way that you actually configure the OSD is through Betaflight. So you need to go into Betaflight, and then there's a little OSD tab, and you can choose which items you want to appear on the screen. Now, you can't just choose anything because your quad has to actually be able to use those sensors. Like, for example, if you don't have an altitude sensor on your quadcopter, you can't have the altitude show up for the altimeter. But you can have other things show up pretty commonly, like battery voltage. That's probably one of the most useful things. You could have timers. You could have the name of the quadcopter. I always like to put my throttle position, so like from 0 throttle to 100% throttle. I find that's really helpful for me. Now, a couple things about setting up your OSD, a few tips for you. Make sure that you obviously have your quadcopter plugged into Betaflight so you can access that. And for some functions, you may need to power on your quadcopter in order for the OSD chip to be powered and save the way that you set up certain functions. But not all flight controllers are like that, but just something to keep in mind there. Also, it can be useful to plug in your battery to your quadcopter and look at the OSD through your goggles for how you have it set up, because in Betaflight it will show you like a demonstration screen, like an example screen, but for your particular goggles the actual information may be in a different position. Like you might think that it will be in view, but when you put your goggles on, you realize that it's actually too far off to one side or something like that. This could especially be the case if you are using a 16:9 goggle format as opposed to the 4:3 that they show in the Betaflight example. Cool. And then, of course, when you're done configuring stuff, make sure you click Save at the bottom right-hand corner of Betaflight, and you should be good to go. Well, hopefully that answered your question. If you were wondering what is OSD, that's what it is. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you again very soon.